everyone. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss the very interesting and amazing websites related to graphic designing resources, and they are quite useful for you if you are working as a designer. So still, if you are not subscribed my channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's begin. So first website is a Pixels. You can easily see in your screen. So this website, as far as you utilize the stock images site, so I think Pixel is one of the best. With a community of photography and the videography generously donating their work for everyone to download and use. Royalty free, it's also the first to respond to current affair, providing challenges, leaderboard, all types of videos available here. And the another site is also the first to respond to current affair, providing the images we might need to illustrate our timely projects. So it's also a very interesting and large library, and if you want to download, you just click on the single image and you can easily get for your projects. So move on. The next website is a nappy. As a creator guide, it's our duty to ensure our work is diverse and inclusive. So representing the whole of society, nappy is a relative newcomer to the free stock photo sites out there. So bringing beautiful high resolution photos of black and brown people for free. So it's also a very interesting and amazing uh, photo stock images website. So move on the next. Its name is stocksnap, and if you want to search, you can write on the browser stocksnap.io. So you can get this. It's a high resolution quality offer here. So stocksnap has a whole host of different categories you can browse it through, so you will never struggle to find what you need. No credit is required, but also welcome. So it's also available. So it's also available as a free content, so you can easily download for your projects on the single click. So last on the list, one of my favorite and amazing website, his name is Unsplash, and Unsplash is a stock photos site powered by a friendly community of photographers, all uploading free stock pics for you to download and use. A must for any discussing designer. So here is the vast variety related to your project, so you can easily click and easily get any picture related to your project. Just click on it and click on the download button, so it can easily get, or then you can easily use in your project. So I hope guys today's lecture is clear. So we will meet inshallah on the another exciting tutorial. So take care of yourself. We will be meet in the next tutorial. Then till Allah Hafiz.